Hello everybody, how are you today? Where is Victoria? I'm a witch. I'm not fine. I'm very angry because I'm a bad witch.
Okay, just kidding. It's me. It's Victoria. Welcome to Hands On and welcome to a Halloween special. Did I scare you? I'm sorry, I didn't want to, but I am really excited with my disguise. I made a makeup of a witch and I love it. So, what are we doing for our Halloween craft?
I'm a witch and I need a house.
Okay, let's make that. We are going to do a haunted house for our favorite witch, okay? Let's get ready.
But do you know what a haunted house is? A haunted house, it's a house full of monsters, vampires, ghosts, and witches. And what do we need for our craft?
We need a black cardboard and a yellow paper, a pencil, a rubber, black marker, glue stick, and scissors.
And what's the first step?
The first thing you have to do is to draw with the pencil a haunted house in your cardboard. But you only need the edge of the house. Look how I do it. Draw the shape of the house or the castle as you want. Okay, this is gonna be the shape of my haunted house. Now that I have the shape of my haunted house, it's time to cut it out. Use your rubber to get rid of the lines of the pencil around the house, okay? And now we've got it ready for the next step. With the yellow paper, we are going to cut the shape of windows. You can draw them first with the pencil. You can make circles, rectangles, triangles, all the windows that you want to add to your house. Okay, I'm gonna draw like 4 or 5 windows and some extra, and then I can play on my house with the ones that I like it most. So I'm gonna make a long rectangle window. They don't need to be perfect, they are better if they are irregular. Save this piece of paper for later. I'm gonna use the other side of the window so I don't see the lines of the pencil. Now I have my house and all the windows. It's time to play. This can be like a door. Can put one window here. Okay, I think I like it this way. So now it's time to use the glue and stick the windows.
But this house is not haunted.
No, it's not haunted yet, because now it's when we have to take our marker and draw all the monsters or witches or black cats. Let your imagination fly and let's draw.
Oh, I love my haunted house. It has all my friends, a ghost, my black cat, a bat, a pumpkin, a rat, my friend the vampire. I love it.
It's a super funny haunted house, and for the final touch, I cut a yellow circle and I'm gonna put it here like the moon rising. Here I got it. Okay, so I have finished my haunted house. I hope you love it as I do. Send me your pictures to my Instagram account if you want to see your art in my next videos. Please, if you like it, give me a like and subscribe for more Halloween videos, and see you soon.
If it's in your head, it's in your hands.
Bye bye, I love you. Happy Halloween!